Today we're making only 3-ingredient double chocolate mousse. Yes, that's right, chocolate mousse in only 3 ingredients. Let's quickly start and finish. Grab a cutting pan and take 100 grams of dark chocolate bar, cut it into small chunks and transfer into a bowl. Now take 100 grams of white chocolate and cut it into small pieces or chunks and transfer into a bowl. Next, turn on heat on low, take pan and add 200 megaliters whipping cream. Just heat it to level that it becomes simmer. Now remove from heat, take the bowl with white chocolate chunks and add some whipping cream into it. Take the bowl with brown chocolate and add the remaining whipping cream into. Now mix each of them so that it becomes completely liquid in form. Set aside for at least 10 minutes. Now take bowl, add 300 megaliters whipping cream, and whisk well with a hand beater. Divide the cream into 2 parts. Now take the brown chocolate and add in gradually to the whipping cream and blend it. Now take the white chocolate and mix it with the remaining whipping cream. Time to set it in bowls. Add the brown chocolate into 3/4 capacity and 1/4 white chocolate mixture. Let it freeze for 3 to 4 hours, and it's done. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy.